Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good. Me too, I'm doing good. And I guys just want to tell you, you know that, guys, me, I love hip hop more than how I love any other type of music. Why? Because when it's hip hop, it's about message. Yeah. When it's hip hop, it's about message. Even though there might be a beef, there is a message in that beef. Because you will hear someone sing like, if you don't step back, I'll whoop your ass. Well, whooping your ass is not something good. Whooping someone else is not something good, but it's just a message. If you don't step back, your ass will be whooped. But what about Afro, guys? Eh? What about Afro beat? It's all about nyash. Now look at this.
Look in nyash, kill the goat. Look in nyash, spend money.
Now guys, what is this, huh? Now look at this. I think I need to write a song. I need to compose a song. Nyash, 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 nyash.